Hello everyone, hope you are well on this Wednesday afternoon. I was on my way home from work, decided I would just pull over, do a quick video. It really needs to cool down, y'all. I don't know about where you are, but here in northeast Georgia, it is like mid 90s out here. That's crazy. And we're getting into the latter part of September. I'm really looking forward to some cooler weather. Alrighty, I'm gonna get right into it now. Are the banks in trouble? And I've been watching a lot of videos and I've been hearing a lot about how the banks are in trouble and this and that. You're not going to hear this on the news, on the nightly news or your local news. Lord, no, not on that. Even Fox News or Fox Business, they have some good snippets and decent articles. You know, you gotta kind of dig for it, but you shouldn't have to. But anyway, I'm thinking that they are, and I believe that we've got a financial mess coming at us. I mean, we really do. The Federal Reserve raised interest rates 75 basis points today. That was kind of pretty much expected. Some people were saying it could have gone up more than that. Some were saying they might have gotten, you know, only 50 basis points, but 75 is what everybody expected. That's what it went up to. So, and this has happened. This is the third straight time this year that they've raised it, and they're saying they're going to keep raising it more to try to control inflation, which is not going to happen as we know. I think they'd have to raise it almost 2-3% more to even make a dent or slow things down enough. I don't think 75 basis points is going to do anything really, except make it tougher for people to borrow money. It's going to make the cost of doing business higher. So you're going to have that, and the dual problem, you know, you got that plus an ever rising inflation and higher prices for your food, your energy. People out in California are telling me that their gasoline has been going up steadily, and hasn't done that here. Now it's been, you know, it went down some from what it was, and it's kind of stayed kind of stable here lately, at least where we are. But folks out in West are telling me that they're seeing it inch up almost every week. So makes you wonder. But we know we got stagflation. You know, you got things slowing down. You've got inflation keep going up, you know, staying up. You got higher interest rates. I'm hearing that banks are in trouble in Australia. I saw a rumor that one of the banks was going to have an outage, a planned outage. I haven't been able to confirm this with any other source yet, but the rumor was that this bank was going to be out, was just not going to have online services from this Friday through the weekend until the next Wednesday, which is October 5th. Again, I haven't been able to prove that for sure with you know, with other sources in the media or articles, but I did see an article about in Australia from Bank West that they are closing, and this is confirmed, they're closing all their East Coast branches, and they're slashing hours of all their other branches in Western Australia. They said they're going to focus on digital services, and that this is a shift in customer preferences. Well, what about the customer preference to actually walk into a bank and take cash out, or actually prefer to go in and make a deposit? Go in and ask about inquire about a loan. How about that? How about those preferences? I guess that doesn't matter. And you might say, well, dog, that's in Australia, man. It's on the other side of the world. Yes. You don't think that's coming here? Or it may already be here and you ain't been hearing about it. I have been hearing about people talking about here in the States, where it's getting tougher to withdraw larger amounts of money, the banks don't want to do it because they don't have the cash. They don't have it in their locations. So that's an issue. You know. So I'm hearing more and more of that every day. Is it time to get more cash out? I don't give financial advice. That's up to you individually. I'm considering it. And then I have a friend in Australia that told me that they know somebody that is connected to the banking there, and that they're concerned about something big happening in the next few days with the banking. Again, I would take that with a grain of salt, but we need to watch this. Let's keep an eye on things. Keep an eye on your own bank. You know, check your account if you can access most of us can, electronically. Let's keep a watch on that. Let's keep tabs on it every day, okay? If not more, several times a day maybe. I would definitely, if you haven't already, I would consider having cash out. At least enough to get through a hiccup, a temporary outage. What if they go down for a week or longer? You know, at least for a temporary outage. Be prepared for that. You know, again, double down on your stacking. I mean, I really would. Let's keep prepping and keep praying, y'all, because it just feels heavy here lately, like we're gonna see some more BS happening, you know, and it might be big. So a lot going on. There's a lot happening right now. I do have a good verse. Matthew, I think it's pertinent. Matthew chapter 6 verse 34 says, "Do not worry," and this is the words of Jesus, Sermon on the Mount. "Do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. Each day has enough troubles of its own." And that's the dang truth. Amen. Easier said than done, right? Do not worry. Do not be anxious. Do not worry about tomorrow. We are human. So, but try to keep that in mind. Each day is a new day. Like I said, keep preparing your home as best you can, as best as you are able. And let's keep praying. And if you're doing that, if you're preparing, if you're praying, staying active, what else can you do? What else can you do? You're doing your best. So the rest is in the hands of the Lord. So share your thoughts. Those of you in Australia, let us know what's going on. If you have insight into this, please share it. Other folks, if you're having issues with your banks trying to withdraw cash, please share it here. We'd like to know. We would appreciate it. Take care. Let's stay aware out there. Be safe. God bless you. See you soon.